I basically looked at pretty much all of the options, and OBGYN kind of fit best with my personality. Back in the day when I went into OBGYN, there were more men that were in OBGYN, and it provides an opportunity to work in the reproductive area and be involved with families at a time when there are very positive things going on in their lives. I think that my philosophy obviously is to get to know the patients and make sure that I come to appreciate what it is that they want and what they need. And having been in private practice for many years and owning my own practice, where it was important that you did basically have to do a little bit of selling of yourself and making sure that patients did feel comfortable that you were going to meet the need that they had. And I think our perception is our truth, and if someone has a perceived need, you need to come to know what that is. And I think that listening to patients and appreciating that is probably the most important thing that I could say I've come to know over the years. Yeah, I think especially doing obstetrics, that it's very critical that for couples and families, when they're thinking about having a child or a baby, that they get in to see their physician beforehand, and because there are so many things that can be addressed prior to conception. I think preconception counseling is something that I think a lot of families don't do, or a lot of women don't do, and it's something that I think is critical that it is done, and that it's emphasized and that it's promoted. Been working on a couple of products that have stemmed from years of practice and years of being in OBGYN, and then my wife also is a retired OBGYN, so together we formulated a couple of patent pending products. One of them is a feminine hygiene product, and the other one is an antiperspirant deodorant, and we're working currently with some of the big companies in the country to try to bring those to market, and it's been a very rewarding process, a very long, lengthy process, but we've enjoyed doing that kind of as a little bit of a hobby for a time here.